What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the video will be a little bit different. I will be bringing you guys along with me to a movie premiere. Yay! I'll be showing you guys what movie premiere is in Singapore and what movie premiere I'm going to go to later. I think I'm gonna have a mini lunch dinner and then the movie premiere. So without any further ado, let me bring you guys along. Let's go. Alright friends, we just finished Genki Sushi. So now I'm just waiting for the movie to start and then we can go in to the movie theater. I haven't tell you guys what movie we're about to watch. Basically we are gonna watch King of Hawkers, a film done by local director, and the cast are all also Singaporean / Hong Kong. Yeah, so I'm really excited to see what they have in store and who is in the theaters today. Yeah, but oh my god, Genki Sushi earlier on was amazing. I am so full. Yeah, I only filmed a little bit, but like I had actually had a lot like after like so many. So yeah, I will see you guys in the theaters.
One, two, three.
The movie is not up yet. The movie haven't played. We haven't gone into the theater. It is, what time is it? It's almost 9, but our movie is at 9:20. So I got myself a cup of Yole while I wait for the movie. I'm so tired. Bruh, it's so long.
决定是要跟 Colin 的朋友，对不对？所以这边就很亲切了，因为知道是朋友的朋友，所以也很感谢你们今天来支持我们的戏。虽然说你们进来看戏哦是看 free 的啦，因为他们不嘛，对不对？可是呢，重要的就是你们今天如果看到好看的话，请你们回去 share 在你们social media #KingofHawkers 小贩之王，然后告诉大家说来买票支持我们，因为只有你们买票支持我们呢，我们的戏才可以继续的拍下去。也希望说这部戏让你们看了一整天会丰衣足食，好不好
？Yes. OK, most importantly, Colin 讲几句话，跟这边很多 friend。
其实呢，既然是 friend 呢，我就少讲几句了，好不好？
不用多说了，就是。
更重要的，看到熟悉的脸孔呢，感到温馨。我祝你们大家龙年呢开开心心一切平安。谢谢大家。
对，所有的评语 feedback 都 Colin let him know he will let us know. Okay, thank you so much. We love feedback. We'd like to hear from you. Thank you so much. Let's enjoy the movie King of August.
I'm also live on Twitch almost every day. Make sure to follow me at twitch.tv/andricchia.